Nice.
Double hooked.
We're tripled up. We got a bonito on one. Ryan thinks he has a mahi. I have no idea what I have.
Put the heat on it. Hold the spool though. I need you to gap this mahi. Not holding the spool good enough there, Bo. I gotta get this fish in. You gotta stick it. Alright, release this mahi up there.
Alright, I see color.
Ooh, there he is.
Woo! Nice. Alright, come on.
Yay!
Can you grab him?
Wait,
Yep.
what is it?
Vicky got a button. Okay.
Yeah. Alright. First fish of the day. We got a mutton. Ryan got a mahi.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Good start to the day. We've only been here 10 minutes. Heck yeah. Just caught this mutton snapper. It's got to be 18 inches in order for us to keep it. So, of course, we're going to measure it. Let's put it down here. Right to the tip. 0. And then all the way here, he is 20 inches. So, he is good. He's legal. Put this baby on ice. We're gonna catch some more. We just got to our second spot. We're marking the crap out of a bunch of fish down there. So
Nice. See the ball straight back there. Nice, Don. Oh yeah. Cheech got us on him. You stay with that. Because you're the one that's gonna smash it.
okay. So either big yellowtail or mutton. Let's go. Come on, baby.
He's getting it, baby.
He's coming up.
Oh, look at all these yellowtails right
Right
here.
here, right here. Oh,
Wow.
bunch of yellowtail.
Big mutton.
All right, ready?
No, huge yellowtail.
Yeah.
Oh my God! How,
Bait net, Ryan, bait net. Here.
Vicky,
You got him, Vicky.
Holy shit.
Vicky, bring this thing to me right here.
Wow.
I gotta see this.
Wow.
Oh my God. Yeah, Vicky.
That is a flag.
Wow.
Look at this guy.
He's amazing.
Oh my God, y'all. This is the biggest yellowtail I've ever seen.
Let me get a
Caught.
photo.
Damn, we just
Look at
had
this,
a
he's
blast.
got another,
He's
he's
huge.
been hooked before. Oh, definitely legal. We don't even have to measure this guy. Awesome, all right, let's keep catching. Oh yeah, here we go. I think this is as big as the mutton, it's bigger. Wow, awesome.
It's gonna be fucking real good fish. Come on. Keep going. Go, 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 go. Keep going, don't stop. It's 240 feet, so it's... Go, go, go. You're doing great. Color, big fish.
Color, big nice
mutton.
Yeah!
Hell yeah. Look at the size of that mutton.
Color? Wow!
Go down, Rick. Stop, stop.
Oh, he's barely hooked.
Yeah!
Yeah! Look at that guy!
Good job, Al.
I'm tired.
I
Oh,
know.
yeah.
First big one of the day. We got a nice one earlier, but this thing's a hog. Put this boy on ice. Alright. Go.
Pretty easily. Let me go get you an
Woo!
answer.
Come on, babe. Don't let him go back down.
Wow.
Big mutton. Keep coming.
Huge!
Keep coming, baby. Woo!
Woo!
That's the one we came here for right there.
Heck yes!
Nice.
Hell
You
yeah.
getting me ready for another one? Or what?
Yeah. Hi, man.
Take the
You got it, girl.
Good job, Cap.
Good job, all of you.
Get the fly right there.
Got him, Vicky. Yeah, we can get a nice photo with these two later.
Oh, yeah.
How heavy do you think he is?
15, 20, yeah.
Wow.
No, a little heavier. Because it's in its mouth.
Working out with him.
Got another one in the box.
Bring
Go
him in the box.
Same thing again, love it. Put me on him. I'm like,
Muscles are worn out.
Ready?
Hell yeah.
Then we start throwing the yellow
Big
tail
boy,
out.
go to the box. Woo! Hell yeah.
Nice. Killed it.
Ashland's on, flip him in. Nice one. Oh, yes.
Yay!
Another one. Good job. Oh, yeah. That big boy. You! I don't know if you guys can see it in the video, but there's a big ball of yellowtail back there.
Pulling the line out of it.
Oh yeah, I'm getting it. Push it on.
Nice one too.
Yeah, grab it, it's on. Woo!
Got another.
And another. We just got our second load of yellowtail. God, it's cold in here. $14. I get a big one. I caught this big one. Let's see how big this boy is. 17 and a half. Oh, he's still alive. Yeah. Alright, he's good. Alright, so they're all legal. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more. We're gonna add. Alright, so we already have 12 in the box. We're gonna add our 7 more.
Here, you gotta measure this for me.
Okay, put them in there. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. God, this guy's big. 18, 19,
This guy's not legal, right?
19. We can each catch 10 yellowtail, 10 snapper total each because we each have our fishing licenses. So we're gonna try to get about 30 yellowtail, and then we're gonna target mutton snapper also. So we get like about 10 mutton snappers. So that'll make the total of 40 since there's 4 of us on the boat. So that's what our day's looking like. We're hoping to fill the box and get some dinner on the plate. Girl's on a roll. Another yellow. You want to grab him?
Oh, he's a little bit bigger.
Oh, he's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go. Woo! You're on them. Can't even get the bait in the water and they're freaking hitting. Another one. Oh, this guy might not be legal, huh? He's pretty though.
No, let's let him go.
Let him go? Okay, let me let him go, guys.
Where did he sneak into the mix?
Oh, there he goes. Hold on.
Net him here.
Let him.
So you don't spine yourself.
Safety first. All right. He's not legal. You're gonna let him go. See ya.
Both are on at the same time. I love that. At the same damn time.
Oh yeah. Yum.
Whoa! Let me have a little line.
In the bucket.
Doubled up.
What is it?
It's like Europa!
Yay!
Woo!
It's the same one we got yesterday.
Yeah. This is a Rockheim. Rockheim grouper. Looks like a strawberry. How pretty.
Nice job.
Oh yeah. Alright, it's hot as heck down here in Key West. We had an awesome day. Look at all the fish we caught. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Ryan?
Yeah.
Ashlyn and I had fun. That's all that matters. But we're gonna get all this fish in a bucket. Alex is gonna fillet it. We're gonna eat it tonight. So it's an awesome day. Couldn't ask for a better day. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. If you aren't subscribed to my page, Vicky Stark Fishing, make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Ryan and I love to hear your comments and suggestions for our next fishing trip. So love you guys, and I'll see y'all soon.
Listen, man, if you want us to come, we're down. We're just about to finish up. That'll give us a little time to get ready.
Told you it's scary.
Oh my god.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for many more fishing videos from me in the future, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it.